Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 14. What is sine theta if theta is an angle in the third quadrant and tangent of theta equals 1? Alright, so first thing we have to do is think about our identities. And if you remember, tangent of theta equals sine theta over cosine theta. Alright, so we can use that since we know that the tangent of theta equals 1. We can replace 1 on this side of the equation. Alright, it also says that it's in the third quadrant. If you think about the quadrants, you've got quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. So going left and down means that this quadrant has two negative answers. So sine and cosine both are negative in the third quadrant. Alright, so what equals 1? So when we think about what equals 1, we think about something divided by itself, which means which trig function or which exact rotation angle is going to give us the same thing for sine and cosine in the third quadrant to where that equals 1. Alright, so if you think about the 45, 45, 90 triangle, a 45, 45, 90 means that the sine and cosine is going to be the same. So if you remember, you're going to have negative square root of 2 over square root of 2 and negative square root of 2 over 2. And again, the negative comes from just being in the third quadrant. Okay? And then every time there's a 45, 45 degree angle in the unit circle, the cosine and sine are square root of 2 over 2. If you need to go back and review your trig identities, you can do that. But for this question, that's all we need to know. And you can see that number 14, if you come over here, number 14 is going to be P.